Morning, children. This is your revision of multiplication chapter. We had already covered the exercises, but this time all the questions you will not get from the exercises. Some questions also you will get from outside your book. So prepare yourself well with the concept. Okay. So now see, we'll start from the latest recall of our multiplication chapter. Okay, this is also very important for you to understand. Multiply without using pen and paper. Okay, 201 multiply by 1. By using the properties you can write. If 1 is multiplied to any number, the product is the same number itself. 10 multiplied by 100. Okay, so here how many 100, how many tens are there? 10 100. So it is 10 100 means total how many zeros are there? You count here 1 2 3 0. So with 1 1 into 1 1, then you calculate how many zeros are there. Total 3 zeros, write 3 0. Okay, 10 100 is the 1000. So if you have 100 notes, 10 hundreds, then how many how much rupees you have? You have 1000 rupees. Same way you can calculate here. If 0 is multiplied to any number, the product will be 0. Okay, now 20 multiply by 20. Okay, first you don't think about 0, multiply 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4, write 4. Then 1 0 1 0 2 0, you are 2 zeros here. 400. Next 70 multiply by 5. Okay, 7 5s are 35, right? Then 1 0 is left here, write that 0. It is 350. So without using the pen and paper, you can calculate like this. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So write here 30. So in this way you can do. Now you know multiplication means repeated form of addition. Okay, it is 961 plus 961. The same number is added how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means it means 961 multiplied by 7. Okay, you'll find out what is it. It is 7 multiplied by 961 because this 961 is added 7 times. That means it is to be multiplied by 7. Same way, find and do matching. It is very fun for you and you can do it yourself. It is very easy. 83 plus 83, see the same numbers are added here. Repeatedly the same numbers are getting added here. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 83 is added 9 times. That means 9 multiplied by 83. Here it is. Okay, 9 multiplied by 83. Okay, 491 plus 491, same number, plus 491, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 times it is added. That means 6 multiplied by 491. See, or 491 multiplied by 6. Any way you can write, it's not wrong if you change the place. 6 multiplied by 491 or 491 multiplied by 6, both are correct. So same way, 107, see same number is repeatedly added how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 multiplied by 107, here we got. So in this way you complete this, the page number 57 of your book. Okay, and if the question will come, write the multiplication as addition with in the form of repeated addition. You can write like this. Okay, if a question is given that write 8 multiplied by 74 in the form of repeated addition. So how do you write? Now 74 plus 74, you will plus like this. How many times? 8 times. Add 74 plus 74 plus 74, like this 8 times. Okay, do you understand? I hope you are understanding. Now next, you multiply by single digit number. This is also important for you. You do this, it is very simple. Okay, do practice here in the book because you have already, it is already given in the latest recall that you have done in the previous class. 2 6 are 12, 2, 1 carry over, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 3 4s are 12, 2, 1 carry over, 3 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1, 3 2s are 6. 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 carried, 9 1s are 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28. So in this way you can solve all these questions. Okay, I am not doing, because if I do, you will not do, you just look and write. So better you do practice here in the book, because your copy work you might have already completed in copy all work. So do all this work, page number 57. And next, very important for you to remember all the properties that I had taught you, because questions can be framed from these properties also. Okay, all the properties you should remember. If any number is multiplied by 1, we get the product same number. If 0 is multiplied by 2 any number, we get 0. Okay, and we can multiply two numbers in any order. Okay, either 748 multiplied by 2 is same as 2 multiplied by 748. Okay, so like this grouping also we can make in any way. And in a multiplication we have three parts: multiplicand, multiplier, and product. Okay, the answer that we get in a multiplication is called product. Also revise all this. Okay, this is important for you, this. And learn the table 2 to 10. Okay children, and this very short types answers. Okay, this is also important, this also you complete once again. And then look at the latest revise. Okay, given in the last page, 71 page. In a multiplication, the number being multiplied is called, it is called what? You know it, that I have also taught you, whether multiplicand, multiplier, or product. See, in a multiplication, the number being multiplied is called multiplicand. Okay, if a number is multiplied by 0, we get 0. The product of 500 multiplied by 16, 160. 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80. Then how many zeros are there? 3 0. 80 with 3 0. So it will be this answer. Okay, so like this you solve the questions till 10. Okay, all the questions till 10 you try to solve. 25 multiplied by 5, multiply and write here the product of the face value of 7. Two face values are there here. One face value of 7 is 7, another face value of 7 is also 7. Okay, and product of 7 and 7 is 7 7s are 49. Okay, next, 25 plus 6 sets of 5 each is equal to dash. Okay, 25 plus 6 means it is 31. 31 sets of 5, that means 31 multiplied by 5. Okay, you multiply, it is 12 multiplied by 10, 120 multiplied by 7. Okay, 12 7s are 84, it is 840. The number of 9s in 81. Okay, how many 9s are there? 9 9s are. In a multiplication sum, the answer is called product. Okay, 6 multiplied by 57 is 342. What is 6 multiplied by 58? That means here 57 is added how many times? 6 times. And here 58 will be added 6 times. Okay, one number is increased. So if one number is increased here and same 6 times, then you will add 6 here. Okay, so it will be 348. Sorry children, see it is 58 multiply by 6 you do here. 6 8s are 48, 8, 4 carry, 6 5s are 30 plus 4 34. Yes, it is correct. Now, see the practice worksheet. Here also, find the following products. So these are all multiplication by single digit number and also 10, 100, okay, 1000. Whenever you are getting a number by 20, 40 like this with 0, you just ignore 0 and multiply by the rest of the digit here. 315 multiply by 2, right? Then you write 0 at the side. Okay, like this 410 multiply by 9. First 41 multiply by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Then 1 0 is left, I'll add here. Like this. 453 multiply by 10, it is 453. I'll add a 0 here. 4530. Like this, you multiply 3 1s are 3. Your total zeros 1 2 3 4. So write here. So without using any pen and paper, you can complete like this. If the product is same, that means which number is multiplied here? 1. Okay. So do practice all these questions to gain your knowledge. Okay, because when questions will come from outside, you have to think and write. And also now I am showing some more questions that you can practice. See here, same that I had told you here. Now multiplication means a repeated form of addition. Okay, see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that means 2 is added 4 times. So I'll write here 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Okay, so this you practice. Okay, if you can see, pause the video and look and do practice. Now next, see all the questions given here. Okay, 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by dash. So 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, same number. If in a multiplication you change the place, there is no change in the value. Okay, 9 multiplied by dash equal to 0. If you get 0 as product, that means 0 is multiplied. 13 multiplied by 1, 13. Because 1 is multiplied, we will get the same number. If 0 is there, then you write product is always 0. If 0 is here, that means 6 is multiplied by 0. 3 multiplied by dash equal to 9 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 9. Okay, 3 9s is equal to 9 3s. 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. Okay, when the product is same number, that means 1 is multiplied here. Same way, do practice all these questions. Okay. Now, look some other forms of questions here. Very carefully here. Look at the number lines here. Write the missing numbers. Okay. Write the missing numbers. Which numbers are missing? Here 2. Then it is skip counting. Okay. 2 skip. You skip 2 and write 2 to 4 to 6. Then 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s 18, 2 10s are 20. Like this. 3 skip counting, 5 skip counting, 10 skip counting and 4. Okay, like this you can also get questions. Some extra questions I am showing you for your practice. 4, 6, 8. So here it is how many numbers are skipped here? 4, then 6, means 4 plus 5 plus 1, 6, 2 numbers. So here you skip by 2. Okay, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Like this, 30, then 40, then 30 plus 10 is equal to 40, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90. It is 9 plus 3, 12. Like this, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 3, 24 plus 3, 27 plus 3, 30. Okay, so do practice like this. Next, see some more questions. It is the multiplication by a single digit number. Okay, so like this the question can come because you have 2 to 10 table. So all these questions are from the table. Okay, 2 to 10 table. So learn thoroughly the tables and you can write answers. 3 5s are 15, 7 3s are 21, 6 5s are 30, 5 4s are 20. Okay, have a look at and do all these questions practice in a rough copy. Okay, now see some more questions. Find the product. Okay, so you can also get multiply by single digit number. Okay, same it is a single digit number. If you multiply 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 5 6 are 30. Okay, 3 7s are 21. Write in separate boxes. Okay, ones place, tens place. 9 8s are 72, 8 5s are 40, 4 3s are 12. Okay, look at the paper here. Okay, then pause it, write down in a rough copy and do practice. Now next we'll see some more questions you have like this. You see 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Always write ones and tens place and do. Okay, now okay children, note down all this in a rough copy and do practice, because you will get some questions from outside so you don't know. So if you practice then you will have a good idea. See, all these questions are also very simple. If one rat has 2 ears, how many ears do 6 rats have? 2 6 are 12. Okay, same 6 rats are there. So 2 2 2. If you add 2 6 times, that means 2 multiplied by 6 12. 5 boxes each have 6 crayons. How many crayons are there together? All together. Okay, 5 boxes are there and each have how many? 6. So 6 5s are how many are there? 5. So 6 plus 6. If you add 6 5 times, you will get 5 6 are 30. Okay, and like this there are 4 teams. Each team has 5 children. How many children are there altogether? So 4 multiplied by 5, 20. In one insect has 6 legs. How many legs do 5 insects have? 6 5s are 30. One boy has 2 hands. How many hands do 7 boys have? 2 7s are 14 or 7 2s are 14. In each way you can write. 8 cats are climbing up tree. How many legs do they have together? One cat has how many legs? One cat has 4 legs. So if one cat has 4 legs, then 8 cats have how many legs? 8 4s are 32. Okay, and here you can do the practice like this. Do the calculation and then you can write here also. Okay, children, note all these questions you do for your practice in a rough copy and prepare well for your exam.